What if I told you budgeting isn't the solution to your money problems? It's the distraction. Because while you're trimming your grocery bill by $12, someone else just figured out how to make an extra $1,200 a month. Welcome to Normal People Finance, the no guru, no BS channel for anyone who wants to take control of their money without spreadsheets, shame, or snake oil. If you're tired of being told to skip coffee and cut subscriptions while rent eats half your income, you're in the right place. Tap that like button if you've ever felt broke despite budgeting, and let's get into it. Let's be clear, budgeting matters. But it's like trying to win a marathon by tying your shoelaces tighter. Yes, a budget helps you see where your money's going, but it doesn't change how much money is coming in. And if your income is already stretched thin, cutting back more just leads to guilt, burnout, and maybe skipping the dentist until your molar explodes. Here's the truth. You can only cut so far. But your income? That can grow. We're not anti-budget, we're pro-momentum. And momentum comes from earning more, not obsessing over $3 mistakes. Frugality is a vibe, a helpful habit, but it's not a strategy. You can be the most minimalist, coupon-clipping, DIY genius alive and still get wrecked by one surprise medical bill or rent hike. And here's the kicker. The economy doesn't reward frugality, it rewards value creation. If you want to change your money life, you have to think like a value creator. That could mean solving problems, offering services, packaging your skills, or yes, even making AI videos. But clipping coupons? That just saves you pennies on someone else's profit margins. Let's break down 4 practical paths to earning more. No tech job or 80-hour hustle required. Raise your rates or ask for a raise. If you freelance, consult, or run a service, odds are you're undercharging. Test this. Double your rate for the next offer. See what happens. If you're employed, 70% of people never ask for a raise. The worst they can say is no. And many companies expect you to negotiate. Turn a skill into a service. Editing, translating, organizing, writing, tutoring, fixing things. Most of us have a skill we've never monetized. You don't need a course, you need a client. Try Fiverr, Upwork, or direct outreach. You'd be shocked how many people will pay for things you think are easy. Sell what you already know or own. You can start a micro income stream by packaging what you already have. Create digital products. Sell templates. Write how-tos. Flip used stuff. This isn't guru speak. It's literally how Etsy and Gumroad creators make their rent. Use platforms and AI tools to speed up the process. Smart tools can cut time and multiply output. ChatGPT to draft content. Canva to create products. Turo to rent your car. Amazon to do print on demand. This is the era of platform leverage. You don't need 1 million followers, just a smart system. The budget-to-income ratio no one talks about. Here's a number that matters more than your budget, your income-to-effort ratio. Ask yourself, how hard am I working, and what's the return? If you're putting in 50 hours a week and still can't cover the basics, it's not a you problem. It's an income ceiling problem. It's time to stop budgeting around a broken number and start building a bigger one. This doesn't mean grind harder. It means work smarter. That might mean learning new tools, picking a niche, or testing income streams, slowly and sustainably. You don't have to quit your job, but you do need to question whether that job is paying what you're worth. Let's make this real. Here's a dead simple starter plan to add $500 to $1,000 a month in the next 90 days, even if you're starting from zero. Pick one skill or interest you already have. Writing, Canva, organizing, music, kids, gaming. Choose a low-risk platform. Fiverr, Etsy, Upwork, Gumroad, TikTok Shop, Printify, TaskRabbit, Rover, Facebook Marketplace. Set a 1-week goal to sell something or get booked. Don't overthink. Action is the strategy. Use AI to accelerate. Let ChatGPT write your listings. Let Canva build your visuals. Let marketplaces bring the traffic. Rinse, learn, and repeat. Your first sale won't be your last unless you quit. It won't make you rich overnight, but it will give you options. and options lead to freedom. Key takeaways. Budgeting helps you manage money, not make more of it. Frugality is useful but limited. You can't shrink your way to wealth. Your income has more upside than your expenses have downside. Start by selling your skill, service, or story. Use platforms and AI tools to speed up the process. Building income streams isn't about hustle, it's about leverage. The fastest way out of budget stress is more money, not more restriction. If this episode gave you a mental reset, hit that like button. It helps more people find this channel without being fed into a guru funnel. And if you're ready to stop stressing over budgets and start growing your money, subscribe. Because next, I'll break down the hidden costs that are quietly making you poor, even if you think you're doing everything right. See you there.